How you doing, guys? Alright, this is Journey for Christ. This is another section with Journey for Christ editors, on where you can see premium videos that will transform your life for free without paying a dime. The only thing you can do for us is to subscribe to our channels, like our channels, promote our channels to more people so that it can charge us and give us more to search more and give it the best. So these are all our videos that we have created, lighting videos so far. Alright, so please watch the video that pertains to your interest and give us a kudos, give us a thumbs up. Alright, so today I want to show us something valuable. So I've seen a lot of comment on people, okay, about a lot of way people are trying to create a dollar account, a domiciliary dollar account. I want to show us a very simple way to create an account, a dollar US account for free. Okay, you don't need to pay anybody to create that for you. You can do it yourself. In the next 10 minutes, I'll be showing you how you can create your own domiciliary account, and boom, you get money transferred to you in dollar from all over the country. All right, so can we move straight to business? Let's move straight to business. So come over to your Play Store. Come over to your Play Store. You need to download the app first. I've downloaded the app already, so just come over to Play Store. Once you get to Play Store, okay, so just write Alat by Wema. Can you see it? Alat by Wema. Just write something like this. Alat by Wema. I've checked it here. That's how you see it, like that. Alat by Wema. Click on it. Alright, so you can see I've already opened mine. That is it. That is what it will display. Alat by Wema. Alright, so I've already opened mine. That is how you can see it, like this. Okay, alright, so once you have done that, okay, so let me just open. Open. Alright, so you can see here, okay, I have already logged in. You can see here, we have login, you have get started. Alright, okay, I want to show us, let me log in so that I can show you my account, and you yourself, you are going to use get started. Okay, let me log in first. Let me show you my account first. Alright, so let me log in. Alright, let me put my password. Boom. Alright, so this is it. I've logged in now. Okay, I've logged in now. Can you see it? This is it. Let me show you some things that you will see. When you see it on your own, don't be afraid. Alright, you can see this is Binance. This is my, it will generate a local account number for you. You know very well now. They generate a local account number for you. Okay, now when you register, you are going to be in Taiwan, not Taipei. You are going to be in Taiwan. If it is your first registration, you are going to be in Taiwan. Okay, you can fund your account, you can do transaction. All right, so you are going to be in Taiwan. Okay, so as you can see this, look at this second place. Yeah, this is a second account. This is the Dom Light account. This is my international account. Can you see this is my international account? Okay, this is my international account. It is active. All right, it is active already. If I want to check more, if I want to check my domiciliary account, okay, I already have. So if I want to check my domiciliary account, I already have US dollar account. I already have a US dollar account. Sorry, it's because I already have. So this is just your international account. So come to this account. If I want to check my fund account. This is my international account. Can you see? We have wired. We have a lot of things here. You understand this thing as time goes on. Okay, all this is code. Okay, these are my international account is in New York, America, New York. So this is how to wire. If anybody need your account number, just come here, generate your account number for them. Very easy to do. All right. So let me show you how you are going to get yours done. Let's see how you're going to get yours done. Okay, let's go to get yours done. Let me just log out. Let me leave this out. Sorry. Let me log this out. Alright guys, very simple. So get started. Okay, I will try and use some other details. unless it's not something. Welcome, blah 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 blah. So welcome. What will you get with Alat? Okay, saving account. What will be required from you? All right. So we agree. Okay, we agree. Let's continue. So put your account number. Put your account details. Nigeria, supply Nigeria. Okay. Your mobile number. Let me use another mobile number. So supply any emails that you have that are valid. Okay, and you proceed. Let's see what happens. You proceed. All right. So you can skip all this and you supply it now. You can skip it or you supply it now. Okay. You have to supply your picture. You have to supply your picture to them. Supply your picture. Once you supply your picture, upload a signature. Myself, I don't even upload signature. Okay. You can skip this step. All right. So make sure you do your verification. Basically, a person that you will get a wallet. You can upgrade your wallet to get an account later. Okay. So you can skip this or you can do it. All right. Proceed. They will send an OTP to you. Okay, an OTP will send to your email, and that's why you have to drop a bar. Can you see? As this is my OTP. Paste. Continue. Let's see what happens. All right. So you supply your name here. You supply your name. Okay, supply your name. The reason why I did not generate that one BVN because I've used that BVN before. So if I generate it, they will tell me that you have another account with us. Just supply any name. James John. Make this optional. Your date of birth. Okay, your date of birth. Just pick anything. All right. Let's be correct, shall. All right. So next. Okay, set your password. Your password will be so strong. Can you see all these things they need? It will be so strong with your account, with your password. All right. Your password will be so strong. Let me pause. You must make sure you follow all this process they listed down. All this process. Okay, all this. Your password must follow all these things. All right. And they give you a sample. So after that, just create wallet. Answer all this question. Voila. So select an option to answer this question. Where do you meet your spouse? On Earth now. Now this referral code is very compulsory if you want to benefit from some things that they will give to you. So I will supply the code. I will supply the referral code down within this description link. Make sure you click on it. If you don't see it, type on the comment list. The referral code will help you to get access to some free things. Okay, but this one I'm not doing this one with referral code. Make sure you use the referral code. All right, done. Approve. It's very easy. They will easily approve it. Okay, they will easily approve it. Okay, and you will first get your local accounts, and in 48 hours. Okay, when you process, enter a valid name. Wow, can you see what happened there? They are going to confirm your name. Okay, they are going to confirm your name. So it seems the name I just entered does not have an origin. All right, that is just the meaning. The name does not have an origin. That's just the meaning. Okay, so once you're able to get to this step, congratulations. It will once you supply your BVN and your name, it will allow you. Once you click done, can you see 3 of 3? You are done. It will get your account straight. Okay, this is where it will get to. All right, so this is where it will take you to. Once you have registered successfully, this is where you get to. All right, so this is where you get. This is the only thing you are going to have in your own account. This is the only thing you are going to have within your own account. Okay, this local account, local Wema account. All right, you can send money. Okay. So if you want to do all that, make sure you have fulfill all you have balance all your accounts. When I say balance your account, you have fill your necessary details. Okay, you have so you just click on this create account. Create account. If you want to create your dollar account, you click on this create account. All right. So when you click on this create account, can you see domiciliary account, that is our dollar account. You click on it, you click on this, okay, you click on this. Once you click on this, read it, okay. Minimum of this is massive, $2,000, okay. Zero minimum opening account, maximum withdrawal limit $2,000. That is daily, okay. Proceed, you have to select US dollar, anything you want, but we are dealing with US dollar. Select US dollar, okay. Click on create account. I have account already. You see what you told me. Kindly ensure that your existing account are funded to proceed. I have account already. So once you do that, they will verify. What would they verify? They will verify your BVN. Sorry, this is what they will verify. They will verify your national ID card. Yes, make sure you have a national paper or plastic, anything, front and back. All right, you supply them front and back. What else will you supply? Your facial picture, your live facial picture. They will take your live facial picture. Once you do that, they will say they will get back to you after, I think, sometimes 3 days, sometimes 2 days. Okay, after 2 days, check back. You are going to see your account. They will update you with an alert. Always open it. You are going to see your domiciliary international account. You see it here. Very easy. This is the international account. Okay. If you want to check, okay, you can just click on this fund account. You're going to see details of your international account. That is how it's been done. But it's so easy to get your account. Okay, you can use to transfer money anywhere. You can wire money anywhere. Okay, that you want to. Okay, so if you have gained value, give me a thumbs up, guys. Give me a thumbs up. Share this video. Let it reach more people. Okay, let it reach more people. You can get your dollar account very easy. Your domiciliary account very easy, and you send money and you save money. Don't forget $2,000. Okay, you can win maximum withdrawal that you can do. So once you do, make sure you do all your registration, complete it. If you have any question, drop it on this thing. I believe you have gained massive knowledge. This is Journey for Car Digitals, home of premium videos, how you can make cool cash and make yourself a live breeding machine. Woody, see you guys. All right.